This is TJ from Deptford Fence here in Deptford, New Jersey. Customer had an old fence that fell down during one of the storms. Decided to go with something a little newer. Went with this 6-foot white vinyl. Vinyl very low maintenance. Rises the ground low. Also keeps the tops as straight as you can. Also did some of this here in the back. If you wanted a fence like this yourself, you can go to instantfenceprice.com, see what fits you, see what you're eligible for, and we can get you going from there.